Bank of China Shandong Branch Governor Wang Xifeng ren Hengfeng Bank President. The vacancy has been vacant for nearly a year. Vacancies nearly a year, Prudential Bank finally ushered in a new governor. According to Jiazhu Online reports, November 28, Shandong Provincial Party Committee, the provincial government and Yantai municipal government held in Yantai to promote the steady development of Prudential Bank special meeting. The meeting announced the establishment of Prudential Bank Health Development Working Group, the establishment of Prudential Bank Incorporation Provisional Party Committee, according to the legal process nominated Wang Xifeng as Prudential Bank Governor candidate, remove Kaigu Ahua Prudential Bank Party Committee Secretary, according to the statutory procedures to remove its directors' long positions. Wang Xifeng prior to Bank of China 3.920-003-0.76, Shandong Branch, but Kaigu Ahua on suspicion of serious violation of law, is currently under investigation. The former governor was dismissed without his knowledge. By the previous president of Prudential Banks Lin Xiong, formerly the China Minsheng Bank 840-0-27-2 96, Party Committee member, Hong Kong Branch, in charge of the bank's business, as well as investment banking and information technology work. On the afternoon of December 9, 2016, Evergreen Bank suddenly announced that it will remove Governor Lin Xiong from his position. The phrase used by Evergreen Bank in its announcement was exempt from office and the same day came into effect. The statement in the announcement was strong and resolute but did not give the reason for the dismissal. On the very day, Lim Chi-hung was besieged by security guards at Prudential Bank for over a dozen hours in the office, losing his or her personal freedom. In the loss of personal freedom, Lin Xiong can still connect the phone. The surging news was about when Lin Xiong was called at about 2:30 p.m. on the same day, and Lin Xiong said he voluntarily resigned. Until that night, Lin Xiong was informed by staff, the bank has announced its removal. 13. 700-0. 23. -1. 6540. 820, 0. 76, 1. 9040. 820, 0. 76, 1. 90. From appointment to dismissal, Lin Xiong served as president of Evergreen Bank, but more than a year's time. On August 14, 2015, Evergreen Bank announced that the board of directors of the company examined and passed the proposal of hiring Lin Xiong as the president of Evergreen Bank, and Lin Xiong will succeed Luan Yongtai, the former president retiring in April of that year. Luan Yongtai admitted in September 2016 to participate in private share of public funds, took 21 million yuan, and later reported to Chairman Kaigu Ahua real name misappropriation of 38 million yuan public funds, illegal operation of employee equity incentive mechanism, illegal control of Prudential Bank. Prudential Bank executives subsequently held a board of directors, requiring 11,000 employees to report the former governor Luan Yongtai, and requested full pay cut 50. Prudential Bank staff said that they did indeed require the signature of a letter of complaint and did not allow photographs to be kept for their own sake. The full pay cut of 50 was not actually carried out after the media exposure. After that, on September 20th, Luan Yangtai issued a letter of open letter and lawyer through his lawyer, saying that an open letter to the party and the government of Prudential Bank was false and was a personal attack and security threat to Luan Yangtai. It was a farce. For as long as 10 years only the chairman, there is no president. Although being one of the 12 national joint stock banks, Ever-Growing Bank has long been resident in Shandong and headquartered in Yantai. After the central bank approved the completion of the overall restructuring in 2003 and was renamed as Ever-Growing Bank by Yantai Housing and Savings Bank, for a period of up to 10 years, Evergreen Bank has only the chairman and no president. Until the end of 2013, K.N.B.T as chairman of Ever-Growing Bank, hired Luan Yangtai as president. As Ever-Growing Bank's major shareholder is a holding company of Yantai Sisk exercises state-owned assets supervision over Evergreen Bank. Because of this, though the business is supervised by the banking regulatory system, the party relations that affect the appointment of personnel are actually located in Yantai City. As one of the 12 joint stock banks in the country, Ever-Growing Bank, which should have been directly supervised by the China Banking Regulatory Commission, appears to have long been in a regulated vacuum zone. The CBRC has punished the relevant irregularities of Ever-Growing Bank. On April 10, CBRC's official website disclosed that due to non-genuine transfer of credit assets, Ever-Growing Bank violated the risk assets in the table, insured the asset management companies for the channel, unlawfully incorporated interbank deposits into general deposit accounting, and violated the regulations to accept interbank increase in disguise letter. The change of shareholders holding more than 5 of the total shares failed to be submitted to the CBRC for approval. The connected transactions were not submitted to the related party Transaction Control Committee and the Board of Directors for examination and approval, did not disclose the annual report information within the stipulated time, did not disclose the replacement line within the stipulated time information, etc., was a fine of 8 million yuan by the China Banking Regulatory Commission. Into Sina Finance Stock Bar Discussion. Article keywords: Prudential Bank Governor of China Banking Regulatory Commission.